Hey, how's it going? It's Heather with Papers, Caffeine, and Life. Grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, get some cool paper, and let's get busy.
Hey guys, welcome to day 10 of Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is thread. So I thought about this and I'm like, what the heck am I going to use thread with? I mean, I tie in my journal, but that doesn't really count, I don't think. So I decided to try just to twist it around and see what I come up with. I thought maybe I could make a pom-pom, but then I didn't know how to do it. And then I thought maybe I could make a tassel, but then it was a little too small. So this is what I came up with. And it's just a cute little, kind of looks like a bow. And it has the fluffy ends, the scraggly, scrappy, fluffy ends. And it looks so adorable on the front of this junk journal. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and glue it on now. And then I'll show you how to make it. So all you need is some glue. I'm using tacky glue. You could use your Fabri-Tac. I don't know that art glitter would work. Anything that kind of glues textiles and things, and some embroidery floss. So this is all it is. It's just the small skeins that you can get at the store. I got this on clearance. So I have these two colors and I have a ton more because our local Joann's closed and I bought a ton of them when they were closing. So this is all you're going to do. You're going to take, and I have you zoomed super far in so you can kind of see it better. So hopefully it's okay. You're just going to take your two fingers. If you want to make it bigger, you can do more fingers. But for that one, I just did two. And I'm just going to start wrapping it around. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I did 10. So leave some extra string. And then you're going to wrap it like a half more time and take this end and go through the center. Like this. Okay. Then you can pull it off your finger now and kind of work it around so it's like a little oblong. My original end came apart. And then pinch it together like this. And then you're just going to start winding the center. Okay. And then you can move this if you need it to be more centered. This center, it's not really a knot, but the center piece can move. And then when it gets close to the end, you're just going to add a little bit of glue and keep rolling it around. Because you want a glue that's going to dry clear, that's important. And you're going to kind of just twist it around. So essentially, you're getting glue all over that knot. Well, it's not really a knot, but that's kind of like essentially what it is. So this is what it looks like. I got a little tiny piece that came apart over here, and that's okay. We can just cut it. And now what you're going to do is take your scissors and go through the center loop and cut it just like you're going to make a pom-pom, but we're just making like little bows. And then cut that. And then for this one, because it's a little too big, we'll just cut it off completely. So now you have your little bow and you can just fluff it out however you want it to be. And you could probably even layer these. That would probably look really pretty. Like if you wanted to keep layering and do like one more, that would be really cute. Maybe we want to put like another little one here. No. Let's see. Oh, we could put it right here. Actually, that would be perfect. All right. So that's really it. It's super simple, but I think they're super cute. And if you make them a little bit bigger, of course they'll be a little bit more floppy. But yeah, so let's make another one real quick. Let me grab another thing. And let's try, I have this baker's twine, which is about the same thickness as the embroidery floss, maybe just barely thicker. But it's purple and white. So let's see what this is gonna look like. So 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. And you know, if you want it to be slightly different, you don't have to do 10. You could do more than 10, you could do less than 10, and then the puffiness would probably just change. So when you're doing it to make it easier, you might want to like pull your fingers apart just a little bit. That's not something I did the very first time or the second time around, and I think it made it a little more tricky to get it off of my fingers. So we'll just start wrapping it. This one I think is going to be super cute. And then when you get down towards the end, again, put a little bit of glue. And you don't need a ton because you're just going to continue to wrap it and kind of smush it as you're wrapping it. And then find your center loops, give them a cut. Find your loops, give them a cut. If you miss a couple, I'm not even on camera, am I? Go back through and cut it. And just fluff them out. This one's super cute. I really like this. How cute would that be for like Halloween and stuff? You could do different Halloween-y bows, even for Christmas. That would be awesome. You can make them a little bit bigger, and you could actually even do maybe like package toppers to go on your gift tags. That would be cool. Awesome. So this one's a little different. It's a little bit bigger actually, and I didn't really even make it any bigger. But yeah, so it turned out super cute. So that's what my interpretation of day 6 is, or day 10 is. Day 6. Wow. So actually, I think that would look cute there. Let's see how it would lay. Oh, I think it would be okay. So let's just put a little dab of glue there. Again, I'm zoomed in, so hopefully I'm on camera some. Just stick it down there. So then we added to our very first page, but it goes really cute. And now, of course, this is going to take a few minutes to dry, but then when you fold it down, you can still see the little thread bow poking out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was super quick, super fast, just a fun little project. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you know anyone that might be interested in my channel but isn't subscribed, go ahead and let them know. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See ya!